Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, my name is Mary. I'm 26 years old. I live in Montreal, but today we're not gonna do a homebody vlog. We are traveling to Amsterdam, so we're going for 5 days and it's gonna be a girls trip. I'm going with Nikki, and right now I'm on my way to her so that we could basically get our stuff together, and then her sister, really nice of her to offer to lift us to the airport, so she's gonna do that. And yeah, we're gonna go. I'm super excited. It's gonna be filled with food, just exploring, so I'm bringing you guys along. Not that one. That's your carry-on. Yeah, okay, but I'm like No.
6 hours later.
Hi guys, we just dropped off our luggage at City Hub, so we're staying at this hostel, and we're on our way to find food because it's technically like 6 a.m. Montreal time, but it's close to 1 p.m. right now, so we're gonna go get food. We're going to this place called 00. It's like a 30-minute walk, so yeah, we'll take you guys along. Fucking wrap. Wow. Wait. So excited. Okay. Good focaccia. Hi guys. Okay, so first day has been very brutal. We're very tired, we're sleep deprived, and we're very just cranky. So we got coffee right now, but we just canceled our dinner reservation because we're just not hungry. Like, we're so full from lunch, but we'll try to have an early night and then we'll vlog more tomorrow. So we'll get our shit together. Christmas. I'm gonna ask if you get the lost here. Guys, we bought Gabe and Mark matching shirts. We're not gonna tell them.
No.
We're not gonna tell them.
And
We're gonna try to make them wear it at the same time. Okay, we'll reveal that later. Nikki, I swear it's a real bird. Nikki, it's real. That's so funny. It's just sitting on the Audi. It's just sitting. Go. It's fun. Hi guys, day 2 in Amsterdam. We just had very nice dinner, but our stomach seems to be having a hard time adapting to like the switch. We're eating a lot when we're supposed to be sleeping, so I think maybe tomorrow it'll be better. We'll be able to eat more because we're eating less than what we could usually eat, but it's going well. We're literally on the canal, sitting on the side, and we're just enjoying it. Love slow living. And there's some little ducks. You guys see the ducks? Yeah, that's one duck chilling with us, so that's it.